Okay, I'm here at the railroad track as usual. I'm just gonna take a rock and smash it on, well, not smash it, like hit it on this rail. Oh, as there are birds, so I want to see if they're gonna fly away. I'm just gonna, don't touch the rail. Nope. Doesn't look like it. I'm gonna drop it for a little bit. Nope, they don't care. Oh, hi, birdie. These are cute. Wait, there's one actually on the rail, so maybe if it vibrates enough, then it'll jump off. Wait. Nope, it doesn't care at all. Well, cute birdies anyway. Yeah, that's it.